This is going to be such a fun party. Okay, let me see. What am I going to make for it? There are about 25 people coming. Oh no! That's a lot of food. That will be really expensive. Maybe it's better to have a potluck. I'll ask everyone to bring a dish. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll make a few things, though, just in case there isn't enough. Pizza, hamburgers, some sandwiches, salad, some snacks. What do I need to make pizza? Cheese, pepperoni, mushrooms, flour. That should be good for the pizza. For the salad, I need lettuce, tomatoes, onions, salad dressing. For sandwiches, some French bread, ham, cheese, mayonnaise, and mustard. What kind of snacks should I buy? Potato chips, cheese and crackers, mixed nuts, and pretzels. That should be plenty of food. Oh, and I need to get some drinks. Orange juice, some Coke. Should I get beer and wine? Or should I tell everyone that it's BYOB? Yeah, that's what I'll do. Alcohol is expensive, so I'll ask everyone to bring their own alcohol if they want to drink. Actually, that's not a bad idea at all. Okay, time to go shopping. Excuse me. Could you help me?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I've never been here before, and this supermarket is huge. I want to buy some cheese.
You will find the cheese over there. It is in the dairy section, along with the milk, yogurt, and cream.
Oh, I see. And where can I find crackers and potato chips?
Crackers are on aisle number 5, along with all the other snacks. It is just across from all the fruits and vegetables in the produce section. Would you like me to show you?
No thanks. I've got it. I'd also like to buy some ham and some hamburgers.
Just walk over there, and you will see our meat counter, where you can get hamburgers, ham, and a lot more.
Okay, great. I'm also going to need some buns for the hamburgers.
The bakery is right over there. You can get many kinds of fresh baked breads there, including hamburger buns.
Got it. And for dessert? I think chocolate ice cream.
Sure. That would be aisle number 10. That is where you can find all of our frozen foods, like ice cream. Is there anything else?
I don't think I can carry all of the food I want to buy. Where can I get a cart?
Just go back to the front of the store. There are many to use right next to where you pay. If you can't find one, just ask the cashier. They will help you.
Okay. Thanks for all your help.